Welcome to the first ever Pokemon Center exclusive reveal panel. I'm SUBCRIBE Danny, and my favorite Pokemon is Groudon.
I'm Real Great Nate, and my favorite Pokemon is Psyduck.
Psyduck! We're going to be unboxing some brand new, never before seen items right here on stage. We actually have not seen any of these at all either, so this is going to be quite the treat. And they're wrapped up like gifts. So here we go. We got some Halloween ornaments. Y'all see this? Okay, there's a set of 4 of them, so hold on, I'm gonna set them all out right. We've got Mistress, we've got Phantom, we've got Cubone, we've got a Reaver right there.
Do we have any, I don't know, any Cubone fans? Look at that right there.
What is the mug? Look at that handle.
Look at the handle right here. The handle is the little bug.
Oh.
Yeah, coolest bug ever.
That's a very unique mug.
Oh, we got some window flames as well. More Cubone love right here.
Oh, those are so good. Oh, hold on. String lights. That Pikachu's with pumpkins on them. Alright, hold on, there we go. Alright, cameraman, did you get a shot of this?
I think you should light those up.
This is light up. Oh, did they light up?
Yeah, I think you should light them up.
Okay, hold on. Did they light up? Can you see them?
Is Gengar related?
Wait. I got something that is Pikachu related.
Oh, okay, yours is good too. See, I don't know if these light up anywhere.
Oh, they look so smooth. Oh my gosh!
Cubone again. Cubone, this is your year. Look at this.
Oh my gosh! This is the cutest! Oh my gosh, we got any Cubone fans out there? Cubone! Oh, this is so cool!
Side by side right there.
I love that. Oh my gosh.
Wow, is that
It's a metal sign with Gengar on it.
the same as this right here?
Yeah! Oh, that is so cool! Yeah, it's like a really sturdy metal
It's a sign. Like a yard sign.
Yeah, yard sign.
Yeah.
Dude, are you kidding me?
Oh, look at that. Look at the dust ball. And the Cubone and the Zubats. This is good everything.
Dude, that's really cool. That's
Now, you know,
a door hanger.
It is a door hanger. Yeah, like that. Now, prepare yourself for this, okay? Prepare yourself for this one.
Are you kidding me?
Do you hear the crowd right now? Do you hear everybody around you going,
Oh my gosh. This is so awesome. So this is a yard statue, and this is the first time that the Pokemon Center is doing a stone look on these yard statues. This is actually incredible.
But I'd probably battle you with something like, what's heavy?
Together. Look at this. These are some of the coolest yard statues I have genuinely ever seen in my entire life.
Just put that right here on the porch.
Yeah.
Give it time here.
A clothing item. Oh, cute.
Ghastly on there?
This is awesome. And we have Mischievous, we got Ghastly, and then we've also got checked out on the back. That's incredible. Oh, wow. And the material is really, really soft. I love the color as well.
I have a little bit more of a cardigan situation. Checkered pattern on the sleeves right there. That's awesome. Oh, there we go.
That's clean. And other one on the back, too.
Yeah.
We got a hoodie here. Ooh, okay. So right here on the front, got the little Zoro, the suit. And then, oh, that's awesome. Check that out.
Any like stationary fans out there?
Oh. The ninja. That's good place. You got eyes. Rabbit. You got everything to this fight. The game is all here. One partner.
Once again, so many Halloween items. I think we got. Ooh, I think we're shifting gears. Look at these cute little guys. Oh, look at these. Plushies here. We got Lily.
Where's the plush fans at?
I got one more in here. Oh, Cynthia!
Fanfare Cynthia.
This is awesome.
I know. Well, I got some over here too, it looks like. Right there. And then, I think we've seen this next person in a recent TCG set. And
That's awesome.
so I'm taking it your bit a bit.
We've got a Natu shoulder plush. This goes on, it attaches onto your shoulder. This is so cool.
Not too good, but
Yeah, that's what I heard.
what about Diglett? Now, if you have a backpack, right, you can just loop this right on the backpack, have a nice little shoulder buddy with you everywhere you go. Or exactly what you're doing, Danny.
One at a time.
So like
It's practical. Another clothing item here. Oh man, I love the color on this. Oh, all right. So we've got Zoroark. We've got little Zorwas on there. This is the Night Days.
Oh.
Oh,
Yes, look at this.
those are nice. And if you look here as well, I think I'm both of these products. Zoroark and Zoroark have these awesome blue eyes with like an accent on them. Ooh, all right, we got a Toxtricity beanie here. And it says Thundershock on the other side.
And you know, I think I got something to match that.
More pants. Big pants guy.
Yeah, love pants.
That's right. So we got Glareon.
Yeah.
And Glarion might be Zigzagoon there as well. Fabulous.
Beautiful.
You really could make a whole set out of this.
You absolutely could.
Oh, there's another one in here. I forgot. Oh, Toxtricity. Oh, this is cool. So this is like a Manti style because they've got like a tour list on it. Yeah, the Thundershock tour. Get your tickets. That's awesome. Here we go. Sweater. That's oh my god, hey, Valerian Obstagoon and her hoodie here. It's like a nice print on there that is secret. Yes.
You gotta say it like strokes. Yeah.
I got a whole fit. Let's start off with the hat. Look at this. Night Days.
Oh, that's the exact same scheme as that red shirt you looked really good.
Yeah. Night Day shirt. Once again with the accent right there on at the eyes.
Yeah, that blue is really sharp.
But also going on tour once again.
This is a big line of clothing items. Check it out here, we've got another one with the Valerian Obstagoon, Zigzagoon and Linegoon right there.
Wait, another cardigan?
Yes, another one, it's different.
I love cardigans.
I know you do, you really do. You love cardigans.
I love cardigans. And I'm gonna see you try that on.
Yeah, I'll do a little fashion show. Okay, here we go. How do I look? Yeah, I like it. I do. All right, I'm wearing this the rest of the show.
I think you should.
I'm like,
You just want to be wearing that laser light.
it's a box.
Slow reveal. Slow reveal. This is a Pokemon Center training set right here. Look at that. And we're gonna take a look at it too. We're gonna open up this box and take a look at some of the items inside of it. There is you get the engine, or the would you call it the engine? What's this?
The one in the front.
The one in the front.
Next. Ooh, this is nice. Girl. Okay, we got the Toxtricity jacket here. This is thick. I like it. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And there's a little jolting. Thing around the shoulder. That's really cute.
This is good.
With the zaps going on in the front.
We got some more toxicity love over here. That's awesome.
Pretty good. They're going on the Gallery Region tour. Yes,
Yeah.
man. Rock on, dude. Oh, that's another one with the list of tours.
Yeah. This one.
Oh, that's nice.
We have a nice little hoodie right here.
Toxicity rocking out.
Yeah. And obviously at the hood. On the back, Thundershock.
Thundershock tour is gonna be huge.
It is.
I didn't beat your coworkers.
I know. I heard a little rustle.
There's some rally there.
Oh, I can see it from over here.
This is a Pokemon Midnight Mew puzzle. 1,000 piece puzzle. Who likes puzzles?
Look at this. This is the lo-fi loungewear right here.
That's so cute.
I like the gradient situation going on right here.
Wait, cheers, take a fun picture.
That's adorable. That's adorable. The choices are cute.
These. That's so cute. Huge fans got
Yeah, that's one of those things that is very limited. So, you know, I ready to go with it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Goes along with the rest of the collection here. That's cute.
I like this.
Yeah, the sleeves and then the top part right here. That's nice.
Poor nut socks.
That's all you have for socks.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
He's back.
How cute. We've got another, I guess, lo-fi. We've got a side-eye hat right there.
No, wait a minute.
This is wild. So many side-eye items. Pikachu, but down there good. Oh, this is really nice. So we got the same little guys over here and then Peach over here. But wait. Oh, yes.
Is this one?
We got the Mega Emperors. I love the mane on this guy.
So what do you see? Oh, that looks right. I can see the reflection of the gem
That holds a trading card right now.
I just like lost out.
I didn't know it was funny or anything else, and I think people want to play your Pokemon card.
Yeah.
This is a Mew playmat band. They're running around your TCG playmat.
That's cute.
Hold it. I got right here.
You can take the beer here.
Little Mew, this is
Display plush keychain and Eevee can go with it. This is also kind of a pocket. Big towards the trainers. I know.
Look at that. Look at the foil on the inside of this.
But you know, you're hungry to like that. Yeah.
Wow.
Is also there.
Another TCG set.
People like that.
In Espion and Albrecht, Premium Binder.
Oh,
Oh,
this big.
Then I'm like that. Oh yeah, you walk into the function with this. It's over. It's over. And then you bring your cards to trade in this. It's over.
that's around of the